Previously on Ghetto Love.
Yanko police station.
Unim Eric.
Unim kind of from
baby. Unim Eric. Me can't see. Unim no boy no you're dangerous.
Ada was so that's in the good one. Hello, Rasty. Yeah, Nekasi. I want to see you. I miss me. In Shawi. Ode mami hu me pese me hu personal mami hu. Okay, Mati.
Mandis. Ade my froze, my fro line is over. Ade. Amanda, me meaning problem so I say to me fro na bibi o wan so pick me corner tie de reka.
Ask my catcher say, "O friend me back come you na man fa no twa so. Call the baby me has sound mind was me fa dream." Huh? Friend me back na unya me atwa so. Yeah,
Amanda. It was baby. And the way you know, say first, na mentia se be say matwase. This is bad way. Tintiana me frono. Ubeje di say. And na ya frame.
What's it there?
Ya frame ni say opese onimisia anam ka kire ne say dia asem bibi wo on kan kire me ya o so opese ohumi 1-on-1 onimisia na onim se dem si ni ya yate anam si debi intimi fa wochi enkosia no e wo se me ye de me ba na me ba be hu se me nko ana me njai Nene na me fro.
Ti ya person hu.
Yeah.
Obeko de obeko. Now the tina. Anytime I episode who be wa heavy or you won't person home. I don't want to say what you women.
Amanda, when him say before me back to air and it me buy. To know who he say,
that's what you trust.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah.
And Siciano, Obeko Shano. She and a pepe, penny in Incomo pepe. Beside myself, send me here. Don't the buy and tell me, sure said nothing or Kaka Kabaha saying.
Wow.
I was so teety one who say, any sad damage in an answer. Tell them make a nothing.
Yeah.
But I am also so smart. I bet you say smartest. No, you fast and say hurry up. Tell them make a nothing. Say it's also push Obeko pepe. Beside get to now say get to what they free for crowd. Scatter busy when I free for. No watch any new get to know beside how the chain pepe. The man is suspected baby I say. You know,
Amanda, what of Sebe Kolu think was Yasema?
Forget and want to mean your shape.
Mimi,
want to mean your shape. Says only be anything against us. Or no, on him, some was so proud. What I say, it's been years when you some was so. Senior don't do anything negative. Just go and meet him. Not the person catch over. See, never catch him. What are you?
What come at it? Make a cosiano. I'm a boy, channel, but my friend, the Siam. The BCB, I'm a was why they at it.
I believe in you.
All right. Nah, only a Van Dam.
So I fetch you. Charlie, I think
I'm in the Van Dam on Kwan and call. I trust you. Champion one man days. But you will be any go. Kudabako, only size.
This size back to say.
Yes, my culture say me 3 days, but I'm no minute now. Say, me US in chase and I'm 3 and I'm with my house. What do you say? All right.
Yeah, ni frima. That's what you're missing when you're fast. Trust me, hurry up.
Rascal.
Yeah. Hey. Oh. Nim our frame man. Yeah. E also we on. So say they also look fresh. E also we. Yeah, dear bonnie near the L. I need to be pious. Yeah. Kai Debbie. Kai no my ye. Nimpono be easy, Nenye.
Rascal, me dear no. You know, say get to home and I'm do back get to home. What you say? And then you say beer. Me free me just one time, now my dog you. And yen is sa. Rascal, me dear no. My back get to home. Me call Nima honum. Me call about to be every home. Me nimba be as say more. I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, can't some joke. We ain't na me okay. Na hwe, ma me ka asem kiro, ba bia wonam bia me minimum. So say they was here look fresh. Ka wo twi nyina me hu. Na wo twi Christ, na wo twi range. De wo ye bia me ni twia. Yaya. You say when you scary. Who did that? Yes sir.
Rascal.
The two boy. And then what happened yesterday to walk pile.
No, Rascal.
Yeah, it didn't enough for me. It does.
Rascal, listen. Once a homeboys, always a homeboys. Me dear now, you are my homie. We are my blood. And here me bro and tina my friend when ya damia can friend okra and kaumba. But me friend will not doggy bibiana waba. Rascal, Mr. Because get to okra munio. I don't know. My name baby is the same more. Mr. Dinti am frɛ wo nyina wo yɛ me deɛ you know say get to woman am do ba ho wo yɛ me deɛ prɛko pɛ nti no bibia ni a wo na me frɛ wo no Rascal me frɛ wo pacha kyerɛ me baby Amanda wo
Yeah. So on sa se ma o ka kyerɛ mo na de me ba Ghetto nenso wapa me what chanabo.
No, it's not like
Nempukai nipa oboa. Amanda, what yebia ma papa. It's one kai. Get to now o kasa o ba ho no. Ini obi me. O malinki mo. Isi malinki mo ni ese. Pe. Yaya. Kai debi. Yaya. Emaye bre enye kwa. Yentia, who call baby our coin.
Rascal. And nothing message me baby Amanda wo. Me pese me ni Amanda shia 101. Pese me ni din komo. Won komo bi esem ni din pese me ni shia. Wo da kire me baby awo.
Yeah. Say the Amanda si bo fu. You need to wait me wait on 101. I'm telling you.
Rascal.
Amanda wo.
Doggy bibia sabi ni pa nim ti se kuchu amansa. See me I see you know. And you be mami no. Rascal, mami no. I want to see Amanda.
What's up, Amanda?
I want to talk to Amanda. That's all it is.
Okay. So what's up, Amanda dear? I mean the problem. You are my bro, you know. But the every Japan is a massa. They're not wood in whom send me any bow. Then I would in a beer and come away. But what they walk crown and I won't enjoy. Because of William Bronte, I would not be back that over there. Mean you be in Kahomo. So super so Amanda, any problem. My friend. And the next stone now, that's whom. Hey! Get to boy and what done it. Yeah, man.
Rascal.
All right.
What's the homeboys?
Always a homeboy. All right, thank you. All right. Vivian, I'm a more Amanda. Only problem, cry. All right. All right.
Respect. Rascal?
Yeah.
Ras.
Yo. Where are you?
Okay, sure.
Bibi Oana. All right.
We're gonna think about this a million now. Better than but my mama home. Mama paying shoes, plus I'm not home. Sipping on bourbon home. Through the night, get some peaceful boss on. Get the run on like a unicorn, and I do the storm down. I've been grinding on with my blocky door. Do my time, yeah, steady audio. Hit it right and a Dumbledore. Wanna eat more with my simple sauce. Have my dick in a uniform and beat the game with the little foes. Live my life like a little girl. Fly high while I stay cold. I grind the day up, Lord. Cause the shit that I want, I'ma go for. Should I stay in bed? No. Every time I need, I'ma plead for.
I feel they discard to me vanity so. Eric Timothy. Eric Timothy. Eric
$1 million.
$1 million. Me go far away.
Na umi Eric no waboda mana.
Minim. Dear Bunny so. Minim dear Bunny so.
Mefro, why? Mr. Mefro.
Minim dear Eric so.
Na wako tra bruchri. Wako tra South Africa. Want me a mobra. Na wako te $1 million da.
$1 million. Me kase meton. They crying meton. Eric Timothy. One day. Baby.
Frima.
Hey.
Mr. Nyabotre. Me say akola. Ombeba.
Baby, I feel them a bemu here.
Frima. Me say.
Baby, my bemu here.
Frima. Frima. I'm with you.
Eric Minion. Timothy. Eric Timothy.
I'm with you. Ma wa ba mu me se o frem e kwan bia me se akora no me se me di me hu twa so na akora no be ba me hu be twa so frem abre usu o nya su o fa gidi anta be chia e ko bani se na so me ra ho me se o frem bravo me se o wate bravo yedi na bravo frem bravo me se Frima bravo, so, Frima Jaisu, Frima Miso, Frima Jaisu, Jai Miso, what it? Sorry, me go inside. Sorry, Yankote. Sorry. Amanda.
Mama Nene.
Listen. I want to talk to you. I know one come. Amanda. Listen.
Nigga, now so name won't come home.
Said corn nigga. No there.
Ngakusi imperial na. Papi hey, come over and person anyway.
Amanda. Person no tinko, Miss Row.
And I'm going to make you cry up there. You tell me who you are. To buy a young papi and I may be do. And so when baby. Oh, Rasty number. And I abandon. So I'm winning a number. Where? Madam, I'm so afraid of my phone. So it's only there. See, I don't make us a new wedding come on. Because I will phone a shame. Only me ready. I'm more afraid. No other. What?
Why are you stressing me?
Nigga, I don't stress, you know. Yo, nigga. Film. Me ya ready am film. Me see film. What here? Me ya ready say me no be kasa. Me ma risk film.
Manda, be slow.
Me see me ye free am. Me ma risk film. Na so free risk nyina. Me na me ma ne be share. I saw you say risk come for me chi Michelle. Na me man go ahead me so Michelle. Nti me say me hia na be say me ne odin koma. Me ya ready say me be say me ne odin koma. Obe call from basketball. Why? By the way, frame what to say?
I don't know
where. Yeah, me say me who where. What is on where on?
Yeah, okay. But me no okay, sir.
On your case, sir. But me here me from. Why?
Okay.
Frame. Frame now, but me get to me frame on your frame. Nigga.
I so want to free one.
Nigga frame. Oh.
The casa ne account. I don't know so.
I don't say na casa no account on TV ba.
Call him. Ani. Oh no, Ghetto boy or Aboske vachi.
Say mo e fe.
Oh did they? Say they no why fe. Say they see ashime no.
I get to the concert nigga.
We are John boy we
I wear long go.
Hey. Boys.
Ofi South Africa iba ya enema mfa amani. Ofre me. Ene me kasai. Ebe ka chem say adwuma bi opese oje boso. Ene ade de na emu mo ba ye no. De wi a woni ayi kanisa akoya ne ne ti pussy foot commander.
Eric. Eric by obi ane na nya problem.
Na say Eric onye obi o ha adwen.
Swa me na me ka che wo se na so ni se me ntwa ntron fancho. Eric by obi ane na nya me mpo me ka che ne se me pese abusuan se mpo nka me de che se enye gidigidi. Oba ye no se ni asundwe mu no aba. Wa free akwanto ma ba. Wa bat na se relax na fe de wo ho no ense se wo ho na nka yakasa. Na oba ya se ono obi wo problem se bi aso bi aye ne bibi ase ne kukutua so kikikiki.
Eric no time na o ya akola na no ha adwen fiti da kwa mbacha bo ne sotoro. Wa fom.
Ene wasa akofa ne suban dada.
One hard dribble me 2 days say ade be ne say Eric akola no ni moja on goton no on fa ne koji skadru wonya ne hwe ebia adwuma na no pese enkaja akwai hodu won kaka na nko be so. So Eric na dey say me hu dia menya me. E na asem na ese na say wo say police bam. Enti free chocho na mproye na ne nko police station na mu nko ye case because me nim dia meye. Me nyame ena me ni ani wo matiko ena mahudi ekoso
enti oba time ntina se enya me banto baabi na wotwe ni ye twamu na wotwe me enu
enyese na wotwe ni
na wotwe me enu ntina se enyese Eric enya ni pabone
enyese na wotwe ni
na why na then akola ketwa 6 years then wo die
eto da ye tie ni pasem hwema eto da ye tie ni pa na wotu wa kusua akofa de entera betena fie na wotu aduane mani bi wojimi
Swaya jaide wo ya jaisa ya jaisa
dia we na
swaya jaisa na dem yakola it me eden asa me ne be ma na betena
obi nka asem fa be ma twakwa ya ne ti kaprema sempo ama
swa bi ne mi enu ntama asem de wo
ni dia se ne kon
obi anka said hwema said you no so kwan no so pass or the support me no nim
say bia na say
do that
say yes pa dia me nim adekode a ojama wase usiwe na dia wo adai it was party say we too no akofa be me hwe no for what reason
na dem na am say ne pep so am pede wo ye no
onye ho ade chese wa fa bibia free wa fa free fala
o si there for me free
for what if I want to chase am me me come am kakra na me come na ma so cry
so the Eric ne me ye no e bedru point bi wa hwe ya onti mi o
eti na me see yenko police station
e bedru point because me hwe ase minim se ka acha na wotwe de na nkode me ba
eti na me see freisa no komwa na ne nko police station enyo ne nete enyo ne kokota ko na na nda woni me na wo ye
se bibi too mabel la wo
bibi
me se mo se mo be hu the different side of me me your bad time.
Next on Ghetto Love.
Amanda. Opeso ujam na me coffee.
Missy.
Yo, Mr. Film.
Frame! What's so? Oba ina de oba have show ba na me police station. Masa what's so police station ko show ba?
You we say, Obi amakwa GP waba. Kasa bebre, I don't know yes sir.
Asa funu wi me boa. Na me ka se me nya bema.
I drugs wild one day. Tell me know that the fierce light in a Ghana. Me I link up with some girl them. She change my life and spec it up for me. Me can't make the girl them move out of my life, you know. We are good here and well love. You see me? Almighty Adonai inspiration.